What's up, y'all? It's your boy Josh. I just woke up, got out of bed. I'm about to take a shower and get ready. I look rough right now. I got this small little t-shirt on. So you know, after I get done getting ready, I'm gonna put on some drip. I'm gonna get my day started. Do I look a little better? I just got out the shower, so I got that sleepy face off, but my breath still stink though. I gotta brush my teeth. I need a haircut myself, man. I may get one tomorrow, I don't know yet. But you know, usually when I want to have a haircut, I just brush it. Sometimes I line myself up though. You know, if I got somewhere to go, but I ain't doing too much of nothing today. I'm just about to go to the shop. Later I'm gonna go watch the Alabama game, the championship game with some friends. Other than that though, we ain't doing nothing today. So usually I just brush it and I comb my beard out, put like some beard oil in it or something. Something like that. But when it gets too bad, that's when I start to line it up myself and everything. But I'm gonna try to get a haircut tomorrow though. Pretty sure a lot of y'all know about that company called Bevel. That's what I use for my beard oil. I followed them on Instagram and I seen them post that they had it. So I was at Target one day and I just bought it, you know, just to see what the hype about really. Cause I ain't really have no beard oil like that, so. I got like 3 different kinds though, but I just used that one today because I felt like it. But yeah, I'm about to find me a fit, pick out some shoes, and get ready to leave in a few. I think I'm gonna rock the sweatpants today, something basic with a nice hoodie or maybe a sweatshirt. But usually when I go basic like this, I put on some heat for the shoes. Y'all already know how I get with the shoes, so I'm gonna pick out a shirt and a hoodie maybe, and then we're gonna pick out some shoes. So I'm actually gonna keep on my little small shirt y'all seen earlier that I had on as a t-shirt. I'm just throwing a hoodie with my sweatpants, and I'm about to pick out some shoes. I don't know if y'all be peeping, but I got a mean little shoe game. I'm still building right now. These shoes right here are shoes I need to clean. Sometimes when I'm cutting hair, I like to wear some nice shoes. Sometimes I don't like to wear my work shoes all the time, but I regret it because I get so much hair on them. Y'all see all that hair on them? Then I gotta go and clean them and everything. But today I'm gonna rock my Sean Witherspoons. I picked these up when I went to Houston for New Year's. So we mostly ready to go for the day. I gotta make sure I'm looking good and the fit is right, you know what I'm saying, in the bathroom. And most importantly, I gotta put on my cologne. Do y'all wear cologne? Cause I got a full like little cologne bar. I got all type of stuff, man, stuff you probably never even heard of, you know what I'm saying? Some good stuff. Some really good cologne. But today I think I'm gonna rock with the YSL. I haven't rocked it in a minute cause I've been rocking my new stuff, so I'm gonna put on that. And I'm gonna let y'all know something. If you wear cologne, when you spray it on, don't rub it in. Just let it like sit and let it kind of like marinate on your skin. That's how it's supposed to be done. So when you spray it on your neck, don't rub it in. Or if you spray it on your wrist, don't rub it in. Just let it, you know, do what it do. But yeah, so I think I'm ready to slide out. Gotta put me a hat on, and we about to go. Fit check, fit for the day, cozy. And I got the heat on feet, like y'all know. Let's get it. Dog, it's raining out here, man. Start the car. I'm on the way to the shop right now. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a lot of different things that's about to happen on my channel. I'm gonna give y'all guys a clipper and trimmer review over the JRL. You know, the JRL brand clippers. I'm gonna do a review over those today. And I'm just gonna talk to you guys about everything that I got coming. I'm about to renovate my room, so I'm gonna show you guys around my room, show you guys what I'm gonna be changing and getting new. And we about to start this new year off right, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make everything new this year. You know, I can't keep doing the same things I was doing last year. We gotta elevate, you know what I'm saying? So I advise anybody out there, if it's some things that y'all wanna, you know, do as far as like in y'all barber business, even if you're not a barber, you know what I'm saying, in your business, if you got some new goals and aspirations you wanna do, or things you wanna do in life, just really go after them. And because, you know, time is not on your side. You know, time is gonna keep ticking, and you're gonna keep telling yourself like, I'ma do it. But if you don't go out there and take action, it's not gonna come to pass. Like, you know, you gotta put in that work for things to happen for you. And that's all I've done on my journey. I kept putting in work, and it just always progressed. So I know if I stand still, I won't elevate. So I gotta do what I gotta do to elevate. So yeah, I'm on the way to the shop. I'll see y'all when I get there. Voila. Welcome to the palace. It's about to get updated real soon though. Y'all see it. It's my YouTube award. I got it right here by the TV. By my trophy. I can't wait till we get to go back to more barber expos and stuff, man. I'm definitely gonna compete so I can get some more trophies. But this was a special day for me right here. I was still in barber school on that day. But yeah, 100,000 subscriber plaque. Got the JRLs right here. They modified though. I put a Wahl blade on it, but we ain't gonna talk about it, you know, with the Wahl blade on. I'm gonna swap it out when I do the review on them. But these are dope, you know. See what it says? 4 hours. Got the trimmer right here. I put the Andes blade on it. I done modified both of them. I've done a lot, so I'm gonna give you guys the review with the original components on it, and I'm gonna give y'all a review of how I've been using them. But as you see, I don't use these. They were under my station, you know. I don't even use them, so that should let you know what I think about these trimmers. So these are the new JRL clipper and trimmer, original everything. As you guys seen earlier in the video, I showed you how I modified them, but this is how they came from the factory. This right here is a standard blade, but I also have the fade blade for it. I kind of switch between the fade and the standard. Say with my room, we're gonna be renovating it, and you know, I'm gonna get a new mirror. I love this mirror right here though. It's so dope. But I'm gonna get a new mirror, and I'm gonna get a new barber chair. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys on my journey of renovating my room, going to get my new barber chair, ordering it. I'm gonna get you guys' opinion on what chair I should order. So on my next vlog, I'm gonna let you guys help me pick out a new barber chair. So I want you guys to, you know, see what I'm doing, and I'm gonna just make a video of vlogging, shopping. I'm gonna get you guys' opinions on which ones I should buy. I'm not gonna buy it in that video. I'm gonna, you know, scroll and let you guys see what I'm thinking about getting. I'm gonna let you guys decide in the comments, and then we're gonna move from there. And I'm gonna have a tall mirror right here. So this right here is gonna just be a big mirror. It's this mirror from IKEA. I forgot what it's called, but it's super dope. I see a lot of people using it in houses and in their shops. So I'm gonna put that right here. Take out this station. I'm gonna give me like a small chest box type of station. It's gonna be black, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna show you guys in the video what I'm gonna actually get, and you will see what I'm talking about. It's dope. It's not too big, it's not too small. I'm gonna put that on here to the side, and I'm gonna have my mirror right here, my tall mirror. Then I'm gonna have more room to push this and my mat up against the mirror, so that's gonna free up some space in my room. And I might get me like a refrigerator or something. I'm gonna take this mirror out. I might take this mirror to my house. I'm gonna take that mirror out. I might put like a little like I don't know, like a little counter type of thing right here. Put like a refrigerator or something. I'm gonna get me a towel warmer, something dope. Just stay tuned. I got a lot coming, and I got my, you know, barber plaque right here. I just got my license too, so I'm gonna give me like a cool frame. I might put it up here, or I might move it, you know, depending on once I get my new stuff in, where I want to put it at. That's gonna determine what I do with the stuff on the wall. If y'all got any goals, y'all better be chasing them this year. Don't sit around, because it's not gonna happen if you're not making it happen. You got to go out there and take action. You know, don't worry about the things that you can't change, but take control in the things that you do have control over changing, because it's gonna make your life way better. And I've just lived by that ever since I started my journey. When I knew where I wanted to go, ever since I've been like just strong-minded and like what's next, gotta keep going. And that's how I've gotten to where I'm at right now. So that's just a little bit of motivation for you guys. I have a goal for the end of this year too. Also, I want to hit 250,000 subscribers on my channel this year, and I know we can make it happen. We've grown very fast, and I just want to say, if you're new, you're not subscribed, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, so I can keep growing and get new people and get more people to see this, because I want to change some people's lives and I want to give them some entertainment too. Let me know what you guys think about this type of video, these vlogs, because I'm going to be doing a lot more vlogging. I want to give you guys me, my personal life, and just every day, like what I do. You know what I'm saying? I want to take this thing bigger, because soon I'm thinking about going like full-time YouTube, just around my business. I'm still going to be cutting hair, but like it'll be when I want to, and then mostly it would be for content purposes. And you know, if I have free time, I'ma still cut regulars, you know what I mean, like as far as like breaking up my days. I just want to prioritize this, reaching my people, because I built something big, and I don't want to just, you know, leave it hanging and treat it like it's nothing. And I just want to keep inspiring and making sure you guys are reaching your aspirations in life, just like I am. So I just want to give you guys my journey and some motivation, and that's all I'm doing. And this year, you know, it's the first time I ever felt like a new year meant new things. Like, you know, I've been younger, but as I've matured, this year was probably one of those years that made me feel like, okay, it's a refreshment, it's a new year, can't be doing the same things. And I think that's super dope, and that gave me just the motivation I needed. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm at Chick-fil-A, about to go in here and give me something to eat, and I'm gonna go to the crib, and I'm about to edit this video today for you guys. So I made this video today, actually. Like, today is, what's today? I don't even know what today is. What is today? Where's my phone? I think I left my phone at the shop. Oh my God, this is crazy. I left my phone. I locked my door and everything, and I don't even got my phone. So I gotta go back to the shop and get my phone, y'all. It's crazy. So yeah, got my phone now. I left it. So like I said, I edited this video today, and today is January the 11th. Today is Monday, and right now I'm on the way to get me something to eat, and I'm about to go home so I can drop this video for you guys. Hope you guys loved the video. It's your boy Josh, and I'm out. So I'm in Chick-fil-A line right now, waiting to get something to eat. Line kind of long. Whatever. It's always long, but it moves pretty fast. Man, I want to listen to some music right now, but you know, copyright reasons I can't because of YouTube. I be listening to that Drake. I be going stupid. Drake is like the best rapper like ever. If you fuck with Drake, man, let me know in the comments, man. Who the Drizzy Drake fan? Who is the real Drizzy Drake fans, man? That dog is timeless. I'm ready for the Certified Lover Boy album to come out. That's gonna be super dope. I really, really can't wait till that come out. I think I'm gonna be vibing, like, I'm gonna be on new vibes when that come out, like, cause I know he gonna have some different stuff in there, some crazy stuff. Yeah. Lemonade. Gotta have that lemonade. If you gonna get Chick-fil-A, you gotta get the lemonade. Alright, thank you, man. Alright. Yes, sir. Chick-fil-A. Oh, them fries look fresh. Woo, woo, woo. They be hot though. Woo. Hot. Got the lemonade though. About to go to the crib, y'all. This was just like a little blooper, you know, for anybody who wanted to just sit and watch and see what I was doing when I got my food. But I'm finna go to the crib. That's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, man. For real, we're trying to get 250,000 subscribers this year, and I'm bringing y'all the content. So just stay patient and keep supporting your boy. It's your boy Josh, and I'm out.